Hey, it's Trace. So I'm putting together the WINGYZ multiple color climbing playset for my daughter for Christmas. It's almost 5 a.m. So yeah, I need to get this together like fast. So I don't do unboxing videos, and no offense to those who do, but oh, sorry. There was an unboxing video on. And anyway, all right. So after not sleeping all night, putting this together, this is it. So you can take this off. And so it's climbing. Everything you've seen in the ads. I have slippery socks on, so let's hope I don't fall on my butt. Kids can do this. Woo! Yay! So much fun. I'm sure it's fun. A lot more fun when you're small. One of my complaints is this. So, oh, yay, nice pad. Like I said, when I first got it out, it's actually really thin. I sat on it myself, and I don't know if it's, I don't weigh very much. Not much more than my little girl. Just touching it, you can feel the bars. That is not comfortable. These are just bars. Her legs could easily slip through this and get stuck. What if she broke her leg? So that's my biggest concern. You can adjust the ladder, collapse it, make it a little higher, make it super stable. So I'll just put this together in record time, and we'll see how cool it is, and you can try to keep up. Smash my fingers. Dang it, I didn't bring scissors. Record speed. Just about her size. Let's see. Yeah, she probably comes up to here on me. That works. I love translated instructions. Cool. It's probably Japanese. It's okay. My husband's half Japanese. Could reasonably result in the creation of a hazard. Oh my gosh. I should make a channel just for reading horribly translated instructions. So if they're not fitting together, reread the horribly translated instructions. When assembling this product, do not tighten the screws all the way first. Tighten them to 70%, because everybody knows what 70% feels like. And then once all the screws are assembled, tighten them to 100%. Not 101, not 99, 100. It's mama proof. So I'll put these. I am being such a dork. Sorry. No, sorry, not sorry. Never apologize for being a weirdo. So when they're not lined up, you can't figure it out, go back to the instructions and reread what it said. That's what the instructions say. When it's not working and it's shoving the wood up, then it's not lining up right. So I pushed it over, and then you could feel that it's pulling this wood down instead of pushing it up. On a non-woman. Oh yeah, that doesn't feel good. Maybe my butt goes between. Ow. Oh yeah, that doesn't feel good. Let's see. Oh, well, we'll see. Doesn't feel good on me, but it holds my weight. I didn't hear any cracking, so that's good. Now, when I was putting it together, it was wobbly. They can go in a little crooked. And what I found was that each side, just laid flat before I put these on, wasn't even. I unscrewed them, not all the way, and about halfway to make sure that they were all straight. And there was one that was a little bit crooked. I screwed them all back in, and it was flat again. But so I have this side as wide as it can be. And then this side, I squeezed it a little bit and then tightened it. And that made it so it was nice and stable. So you can do it that way too. I didn't straighten out the elephants since I made them uneven. And now this isn't even. It's hard to tell, but yeah, this side's loose. So unscrew that. The easiest thing to do is unscrew them and make sure they're both as far out as possible. All right, Kieran, let's show everybody how you can climb up the rungs. I tried her with shoes thinking that would be better, and it wasn't. Her feet need to be able to hold on to it. And then she climbs over, slides down, on the hardwood. But these are handles, so that helps. For me, it's not quite the right fit for her, but it's totally up to you. It is a great product as long as the kids are a little older and their legs aren't going to just slide right through. Say bye. Can you wave? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. Say thank you. Thank you. Say give Mama a thumbs up. Mama, a thumbs up. Come here. All right, well, if you could subscribe, that would be great. I have more stuff coming out, and you'll be notified when it does. Thanks, guys. No, I need to get her off of a great product that isn't quite right for her. Thanks. See you guys soon. Say, see you soon. Okay.